Learn how to make this animation in like 2 minutes. All right, first things first, you're gonna draw a rectangle. Then you're gonna get your pen tool and make this wavy shape. Look at it go. It's so fast. All right, make it taller than your rectangle, close it up and drop a fill on it. I like to do a gradient fill just because that's our era. We're in the gradient fill era. Gorgeous. You're gonna duplicate that shape. Chuck another fill on it, and black 30% transparency. Move it to the back, and then you're gonna wanna flip it horizontally. Perf. All right, now slide it behind your first shape, and then move your first rectangle to the back and drop it behind both shapes. Select all of that, and then click mask. So get your layers in line for where you want the animation to start. So I'm dropping everything down to the bottom, and then I'm going to put this mask group in my phone frame. Line it up, duplicate your phone frame, and then position your shape layers to where you want them to be at the end of the animation. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at them go. They're just gorgeous. I'm so good at this. All right, prototype mode. Connect your first frame to your second frame. Set the animation to trigger after delay. Smart animate, ease out, I think I did. I don't fucking know. Here's the stats. Pause, copy, whatever. Return the favor, hook up the second frame back to the first one. That way it animates back and forth forever. Cool, here you go. That's how you do that. If you want to know how to do more stuff in Figma, too bad. That's somebody else's job. Okay, bye.